Hey there, welcome back to the Crypto Hook channel. Before we dive into the latest and greatest in the airdrop world, I've got something extra special for you. A giveaway. That's right, it's time to give back to this amazing community, and I'm making it as easy as possible for you to get in on this freebie. Free giveaway alert. Want to win $50 without lifting a finger? Well, all you have to do is follow these simple steps. 1. Watch the entire video, don't skip. 2. Like this video and of course, share it with your friends so they can join the fun too. 3. Subscribe to the channel if you haven't already, you don't want to miss future giveaways and airdrop updates. 4. Leave a comment down below telling me, why do you want $50? Once we hit 500 likes on this video, I'll pick a random winner from the comments to receive at least $50 straight to their wallet. Money with wings. It's that easy. So go ahead and smash that like button now. Now, let's talk about something really exciting, the Tonstation airdrop. In today's video, we'll cover some exciting yet controversial updates regarding the voting in the Welcome Back Guys campaign, the airdrop results, and what's next for the major token snapshot. Whether you're in it for the rewards or just keeping tabs on the crypto and gaming space, this video has everything you need to know. So, let's jump in. Alright, let's kick things off with the voting that recently wrapped up in the Welcome Back Guys game. First of all, congratulations to everyone who participated, you made this an exciting event. The votes have been tallied, and the winner has been declared. Drumroll, please, the winner is none other than X Empire. A huge shout out to them for securing the top spot. Now, for those of you who voted, your points should now be distributed. If you haven't checked your app yet, do it as soon as possible. For me personally, I voted for all 3 finalists as part of my strategy, and guess what? It worked out pretty well. I received 10,000 points for backing the winner and another 10,000 points for participating. This brings my total points to a solid 145,000. Not bad, right? Let's talk about the badges because this is where things get interesting. The game developers have introduced a badge system, but not everyone is going to get one. These badges are being awarded to players who spent the most stars during the voting process. At first, I was confused about why so many people were using so many stars when only 10 stars were required per vote. But now I see, it was all about securing these exclusive badges. Why are these badges important? Well, they're going to play a crucial role in upcoming events, including airdrops. Having one could give you an edge in future rewards. When you log into your app, you might notice a new button or badge icon near the pause logo. While the button isn't clickable right now, I have a feeling it might unlock something valuable later. Now, let me address something that's been a hot topic in the community, the way rewards are being distributed. A lot of people have voiced concerns, and frankly, I'm with them. Many players, including myself, went all in. We completed tasks, participated in DAOs, made deposits, and even used ton stars to make payments. Despite all this effort, the airdrop rewards seem disproportionate. For example, some players who checked all the eligibility boxes still received very little in terms of rewards. On top of that, the value of these rewards has been disappointing. Most people got tokens worth just $5 to $20. Even if the token price increases by a cent or two, it's barely enough to cover the time and resources spent. This has left a lot of us questioning whether it's worth participating in Season 2 of this game. A few players might stick around, but I wouldn't be surprised if many decide to boycott the next season altogether. Games like these should benefit everyone, not just the developers or a select few. If that balance isn't there, it's hard to stay motivated. Now, let's switch gears and talk about something a bit more exciting, the Major Token. This project is generating a lot of buzz, and for good reason. The snapshot for the token is just around the corner, scheduled for November 20th. That means if you've invested or plan to, now is the time to finalize your positions. Once the snapshot is taken, the token generation and distribution will begin. The tokens will then become tradable on exchanges starting November 28th. This is a big deal because the Major Token has a limited supply of just 100 million, which could help drive its value. I've already invested $400 in this, and I'm keeping a close eye on the market. Right now, the token's value is holding steady above $1. While this is promising, remember, prices can pump or dump when trading begins. My strategy is simple: sell early, whether the price goes up or down, to minimize risk. I suggest you do your research and have a plan in place. The Welcome Back Guys voting event had its highs and lows. While the points and badges add an interesting layer to the game, the reward distribution left much to be desired. As for the major token, it's one of the more promising opportunities right now, but as always, approach it with caution and a solid strategy. Thank you so much for tuning in. If you found this video helpful or interesting, please give it a like and share it with your friends. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you don't miss any updates. I'll be back soon with more news and insights. Until then, take care, stay safe, and as always, peace out. See you in the next one.